Guys, I'm back. How is everyone? Keep on winning, guys. On this video today, I will show you the lottery winner trick from my channel. And I was very happy regarding on this, guys, that I can help someone lives to make easier. Guys, I already made a video regarding on this, but many viewer and some subscribers don't fully understand, and some did not get how this is really done. I will very detailed on this video on the exact technique. I want everyone to win. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. By the way, let's proceed now on the main trick. Okay guys, get your past 2 to 3 results. This is the past actual results. Now we will get the pairs. Below you can see, here is what I mean about the 54 pairs. Okay, this is only composed of 54 pairs. Every day that there are number drawn, but only rotating on this 54 pairs. Okay, now we will get the pair of this combination. The result is 8-3. As you can see, 3-6 and 6-8. On the second combination, as you can see, 4-2-1. So there are 3 pairs, 4-2, 4-1, 2-1. 0-1-9 from the last combination, 0-1-1-9, 9-1. As you can see, you can identify it below. 8-3. Look at, here is the combination. Here is the pair, I mean. Eliminate this pair. Once you eliminate every pair, the 54 pairs minus the what pair you have eliminated, it will result on lesser pairs. To use these pairs, okay, this is the main lottery trick of the lottery winner. I will select 8 numbers, number 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 1, 0, 2. How did I come up on this? Why you wondering how did I come up on this number? Okay, you can just select 8 numbers. Here is the combination generated using this 8 number. As you can see, there are no 6 and 7 on this combination. Okay, you can see no 6 and 7 on this combination, guys. There are no 6 and 7. Now how can we use this pair? Okay, 8-3, 4-6, 6-8, 4-2, 4-1, 2-1, 0-1, 19, 91. Okay, I will show you how to use this pair. This is very detailed guide. Okay, now 8-3. Okay, we'll eliminate 3-8 or 8-3. Those who have eight, 3. Okay, 3-8. Okay, I just mark the 0-3-8 because there is 8-3 on that combination. So I'll proceed to 4 sorry, this is I will proceed to 3-6 now. Okay, 3-6. Guys, you must identify this pair. Oh, since 6, there are no 6, 8, no. Let's go to the second combination, the 4-2. Okay, 4-2. Okay, as you can see here, this is 2-4. Then let's mark this 2-4. Okay. Then next is 4-1. This is the process called eliminating combination. And 0-2, since 2-1 and 0-2. Then 0-1, 0-1, 0-1. As you can see, there are more combination now to eliminate. 0-1. Okay, that's it. Then 1-9. Okay, 1-9. This is clearly shown now that number will be lesser, combination will be lesser for our betting. Okay, then 9-1, 9-1. Okay, you can see on this one, it will eliminate 9-1. Combination that has 9-1 but on different position, still you will mark it for elimination. 9-1. Okay, so done. We have now eliminated the pairs that already been drawn. Okay, this is very clear now, guys, for you. After the elimination, here is the result. Okay, here is the combination for betting. As you can see, combination that from the pair is eliminated. Okay, you get it, guys? Okay. And now you are wondering, still there are many combination that will cost you to bet on. Now, why not get more pairs for elimination? Okay, here is, let's get 2 more previous results, guys. Why should I get more previous results and eliminate more combination? This because there are more combination to bet, so we can eliminate more using this trick. We will filter so it will be more precise now. But remember the rule, guys. The more combination you bet, the more percentage that you have chance of winning. That is the law, and that is balanced. So now we will just trick this by getting another pairs 2-5, 5-0, 0-2-8, 2-8, 9-8, 9, and eliminate more combination. Here are my final combination to bet on. Subscribe, like, and share, guys. Thank you.